Shadiac, New Brunswick, and here we're at the Lobster Tails Cruise. Well, it's not really a real cruise, but we're gonna catch a lobster and eat it. Yeah, let's get going.
Flip a switch, you press a button, you're fishing, okay? But we're gonna do it like I did it 29 years, okay? And what I'm going to do, I'm gonna tie your feet with a rope, you're gonna jump in the water, you grab 2 lobsters each hand, you wiggle your feet. We do that 5 times. No, you use a cage. You're smart, huh? No, it's easier than that, okay? I want you to stay right there. No, don't go one more step. I want you to stay right there, okay? And I'm going to grab some buoys, okay, with what we call a gaff, okay? And I'm going to give you the buoys. You're going to give it to her, give it to him, and then you give it to Mom, okay, in the back. And you guys are going to start pulling on the rope. Can we do that? Piece of cake, right? Yeah?
Depends on how heavy the cake is.
I think you can handle that. Oh, yeah. And for the rest of you guys that decided to do absolutely nothing, could you at least encourage these people? Let me hear you. Yeah, at least. Now, I've got an important question, and I'm going to ask you. We're fishing for what? Lobster. I put the smartest one up front. I knew it. I knew it. All right, here we go. First trap, okay? Don't move. You stay right there. Now, who's driving the boat if I'm not? She is, yes. 2 traps, okay? Here we go. Here comes the first one. Okay, now take the rope, start pulling, pass it on. I can't hear you guys. Come on, pull, pull, pull. Oh, there we go. Look at her go now. There's 500 feet of rope on this one. A little bit more, you're doing it. Good job, good job. Just about here, just about. A little bit more. Okay, I want you to stop. Dinner. Okay, let's see what you caught. Let's see what you caught in the first one, okay? Just gonna clean the bottom of the trap here.
I see something.
Oh my God, I can't believe it. You got a chicken. There you go, sir. Then wouldn't we, yeah? Chicken! I thought we were fishing lobster. You said to everybody you were fishing lobster. We got a chicken in the trap.
You hit the chicken.
Well, that didn't go very well. I think we best try another trap. Okay, start pulling on the rope. Same thing. I can't hear you guys. Come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Doing a great job. Oh, it's getting heavier and heavier. Oh, look at that. Maybe there's 6 or 7 chickens in this one. Oh, you're doing a great job. Great job. A little bit more. Okay, I want you to stop. Okay. Okay, don't pull it more. I'm going to clean the bottom of the trap here. Oh, you got something. You actually got something. You have 2 lobsters. And your name is? Olivia, right there. Don't you know? Zoe? Olivia and Zoe. And what Olivia and Zoe are going to do to help me out They're going to put rubber bands on these claws. Who's going to go first? Qu'est-ce qui va en premier? Here we go. It's your turn. Okay? Just one sec. Everybody can see you. Squeeze. There you go. Whoa. There. Release. Turn. Ooh. Try it again. There. Release. Turn. Release. 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 Now pull. Quick. Pull. Quick. There you go. Good hand of applause. I got it. Yep. So now who goes first? Qu'est-ce qui va en premier? Who goes first? She went first a while ago. Might as well be you, Olivia. Just a little smooch right there. You can do it. Yeah, right there. Is this your first kiss? It's important. It's important. No, you did. You came so close, Olivia. Little smooch. You can do it. You can do it. Go. 1, 2, 3. Just go in there and boom.
How do you give a little show how you do it then? Let's see if you can do it.
Oh, look. Right there on the back. I give it there. You go right there. Hurry up. Hurry up. Boom. She's got it. Here's by doing this. 2 fingers. That's it. See the knuckles? See the movement on the claw? Always go against the articulation. That's a fancy word. Articulation. See that? Always go against it. Now the knuckles. See that? 2 thumbs inside the joint. 2 thumbs inside the joint, and just force it with your fingers in the back. Presto. Just like that. Now ladies, it's hard on the hands. I get it. You're absolutely right. You got tools. Use them. Okay, and here's a little trick. You just go at the very, very joint, just kind of give it a little squeeze like that, and presto, it is that easy, that simple. Now there's juices in here, in the claw. Okay, there's juices in here. We don't want to lose it. And this is the Acadian way, okay? I'm going to put my mouth, this part of the claw, I'm going to tilt my head back, rip that little finger, and I'm going to go get the juices in there. Now cheers. Salute. I gotta do this 4 times a day. It's killing me. It's killing me. A little piece of cartilage, if it's not there, it's probably stuck in the claw. If you're ever having lobsters with kids, you know, maybe not that age, little early, you want to be careful. You don't want them to choke on that, okay? Now remove that little piece of cartilage, take your pick, and just slide your pick, okay, in there, and go get your first piece of good lobster. It is that simple. Knuckles, same principle. Flip the pick the other side, take the flat part, okay, and just go in there and kind of scoop it out. And look how easy it is. It is that simple. And you do this. Twist, twist, pull. Twist, twist, pull. Now, the tail in the palm of your hands like this, okay? Cross your fingers, and all I'm going to do is put pressure on it, like that. Now please, ladies and gentlemen, never attempt this with chicken. Don't do it. And if you do this, do that on top of the plate, because if you do it this way, somebody's going to get a shower. You better watch it. He's right in front of you, okay? Now, reverse the process after that by putting your fingers underneath, and I'm going to put pressure with my thumb just on one side, like this, like that, and presto, it's that simple. Now, there's a vein in there you want to remove. Same principle as a shrimp, right? All you need to do is pinch the top part and peel it like a banana. And that's your first piece of good white meat. Now, if you're lucky enough, okay, to get this orange stuff, see this? That is the eggs of the female. The reason she has her eggs inside is because she has not ovulated yet. She's not pregnant. That's why she's got her eggs. Very, very good in taste. At least try it once. And some say it's a form of an aphrodisiac, and I eat this 4 times a day. Ooh. How you doing? Now, myths and legends and stories, don't eat the vein. You're going to get sick and then you die. No, it's not true. It's preferable to remove vein, period. Once you've done that, you break it down in bite-sized morsels and you are good to go. Now, at the end of the tail, there's little flippers. You want to twist them off. You know that tube of toothpaste at night, you want to brush your teeth and there's nothing else left in the tube. What do? You start squeezing from the bottom, squeezing from the bottom. Look at the meat in there. There's meat. Another way of doing it is the Acadian way. So it's the only way to do it. 4 times a day. Now the famous body. Okay, there's a lot of good stuff in here. Oh, I'm telling you, remove a little bit of eggs. Belly up, thumb underneath the 8 legs, 2 fingers on top. Take your other hand, slide it in between your thumb, hold the body firmly, and you want to hinge everything forward. Okay, like that. Just hinge forward. Once you've done that, you are inside. The green stuff. Mamma mia, this is absolutely delicious. This is the liver of the lobster. We call it tamale. Okay? I put that on a little bread and I'm telling you I'm good to go. You gotta at least try it. It is so tasty, so rich in taste.
I always thought it was the...
No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it is the liver. C'est le foie. Le foie de homard, on appelle ça du phare. My finger, the tip of my finger. There's a little piece of meat there, and I'm going to remove it. Okay, there it is, there. It looks like a little butterfly. See that? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is simply the filet mignon of lobster. Very tender, very juicy. It just melts in your mouth. You can't miss out on this, I'm telling you. Olivia? Zoe? Sorry. The famous body. Just about done, bear with me. 2 thumbs inside. 2 thumbs inside the body, okay? Rip it in 2 pieces of 4 sections, 4 legs. Just like that. Now everywhere I'm twisting off those little legs, there's a hole there, okay? There's a socket, and it's full of meat, okay? Now I'm going to go in there and my fingers, just pick at it, okay? Now I can feel the cartilage. I'm breaking the cartilage with my fingers, but I can feel that beautiful white meat just rolling off the tip of my fingers. Just in a few seconds, you're going to add, I don't know how many tender. To me, my opinion, this is some of the best meat in there. And you know what? It's waiting for you. Now the Acadian way is it's the only way to do it. You go in there with your teeth, like sunflower seeds. Like this. Four times a day. So you get the message, right? These little legs, you want to twist them off, okay? Tube of toothpaste at night, remember, just squeeze, 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 squeeze. Look at
It took 3 years to build. 3 years, that's a long time. And it weighs 50 tons.